So number 6, you're doing a design project with a beach volleyball. So you were told the volume has to be between 1 and 3 cubic feet. So you could have different varying answers. So somebody could pick 1, somebody could pick 2, somebody could pick 3. You could pick 1.5. Like you could pick anything. Okay, I'm gonna pick 1. That sounds pretty easy. Okay, so volume is that. Okay, so we are gonna go to our formula to talk about a sphere. Okay, so a sphere, we have a volume formula here. So volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, so if my volume is 1, I got to solve for my r. Okay, so I'm going to get this number. So I'm going to do 4/3 pi. Okay, 4.188 da da da. Okay, now I'm going to divide. Okay, and I'm going to keep that value in my calculator, by the way. That's why I'm doing those dots. So 1 divided by that value. So 0.24, but I'm going to keep that in my calculator. Okay, and now I'm going to cubed root that value. Cubed root. So I'm going to push 3 root of that answer, and I get 0.62 feet would equal that radius. Okay, so now moving forward, now I have to do the surface area because this cost is per square footage. So if you don't remember, I still have that value in my calculator. So area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. So 4 times pi times 0.62 squared, and that's in my calculator. So I'm going to keep it there. I'm going to square it times 4 times pi, and I get 4.84 square feet. Okay, so now here we go with the cost. The cost is 15 cents per square foot. So I'm going to have to times that by 15 cents. Okay. I also have a cost of $1.25. Okay, so 4.84 times 0.15. And then you're also going to add the $1.25 for each ball. Okay, so we have a cost of $1.98 per ball. Okay, the next thing, the association wants to make a profit of 80% of the cost of making each ball. Okay, so if I want to make a profit of 80%, I'm going to times this by 0.8. Which is 1.58. Okay, but that's the added price because I need to make a profit. So I'm going to add, which means I need to sell my ball for 3.56. Okay, and you could have also, instead of timesing by 0.8 and then adding, you could have just actually times by 1.80 because you're going to do the original price plus additional 80%. So if you do that in one step, you get right to that final cost. Okay, and then you could have multiple answers again because you could have done this same process with just like a different number of the volume.